Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope all of you are well. This fixing checking error occurs when there is a problem in the hard disk. If there is any problem in the track or sector of the hard disk, such checking error occurs. In this case, you need to delete all partition and repartition again hard disk and leave some space for partitioning. If you don't want to do that, then solve it anyway. I show you how to solve it easily. This checking can take from 1 to 2 hours. It's very boring. Restart laptop or desktop. When you see this checking error, you press any key before 8 seconds. This PC restart again and open automatically. Okay, ready? Go to search button and write search box. Here Regedit, REGEDIT. Click Registry editor. Here you see HK local machine. Click arrow. Click system arrow. Click current control set arrow, then control arrow and scroll down bar. Here you see session manager. Click above session manager and go to boot execute. Check and right click, modify. Here you write some character, space, font slash, write K, colon, C. Then you write every volume letter sequentially. You see which you write here. This letter will you write C, E, F, G. You write sequentially. Finally, you write star. OK. You see here all character boot execute. Problem has solved. Restart your PC again and you will see the problem will be solved. Second way do you want? Go to search button, write in search box CMD, means command prompt, and right click command prompt, run as administrator. Here you see the command prompt box. Write chkntfs space font slash x space c colon the volume or drive that you have on your computer should be written here. E colon space F colon space G colon and press enter. Checking complete. You exit from here, write exit and enter. Restart or shut down your PC, then open again. It will be solved. Must. Shut down, press power button. It will run without any error. Thank you so much for watching the video and press subscribe button for next video.